Gising! Aba, patulog-tulog kayo. Anong oras na, ha? Bayat, in 5 counts, dapat nakatsinelas na kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go. 1.
You know that I feel good. Doing things I never thought I could. Smiling in the mirror, I look good. Like I should. I feel great, speaking new. I don't know about you, I feel good.
Boy, buddy, ang masasabi ko na sa'yo, bisukin mo kami mamayang lahat!
Every time I take a swallow, like I'm taking a vacation, feeling like I hit the lotto. Whoa, yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm the star of the show. Got that special glow, and you know, whoa, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, shout out sa aking magiging asawa. Humanda ka. Ready ka na ba?
Feel good. Doing things I never thought I could. Smiling in the mirror, I look good. Like I should. I feel great, speaking new. I don't know about you, I feel good. Doing things I never thought I would. Smiling in the mirror, I look good. Like I should. I feel great, speaking new. I don't know about you, I feel good. You know that I feel good. Doing things I never thought I could. Smiling in the mirror, I look good. I feel good, like I should. I feel great, speaking new. I don't know about you, I feel good.
Sana napasaya kita na sobra. Siyempre. Totoo ako pag umiyak ka pero hindi sa sakit, sa kilig.
Kita nyo naman po, how he treats me is far different from how my past relationships treats me. Lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin na I'm the girl of his dreams. Char.
I want to thank you for coming into my life, making me realize that I am a person worthy of unbounded love. You're a God-sent gift to me and someone I never expected in my life. Gaya ng pag-aalaga niyo sa akin, pagmamahal niyo sa akin ni Papa. Ganun din yung gagawin ko sa magiging pamilya ko ngayon, sa magiging anak namin. Thank you kasi napalaki niyo ko ng maayos. Ikaw ang biyaya sa akin ng may kapal, na buong buhay kong tataas at ipagpapasalamat sa Kanya. Mahal na mahal kita, Tiffany. Magpakailanman, nag-iisa.
Si Barry po, siya po yung taong kumumpleto sa akin nung sobrang nawasak po ako.
Barry, bukalbas sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Tiffany na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Yes, Father.
Kayong dalawa ay nagmamahalan at nais ninyong patunayan sa Diyos at sa lahat na nandito ang inyong lubos na pagmamahalan bilang mag-asawa. And there is no other greater example of love than Jesus Christ. Ang kanyang pagmamahal, it's not give and take. His love is an offering.
Ito po, kinakabahan and excited na masaya. This time, sa harap na po ng Panginoon and legal na po kami sa lahat ng tao at lalong-lalo na po sa ating may kapal.
Love is lost and love is found. It gets you high then pulls
Dumating man ang panahon na tayo ay tumanda at magkauban na. Pangako ko sa'yo, nandyan lang ako sa tabi mo. Ipapaalala ko na meron kang naging bari na nagmamahal, minamahal, at mamahalin ka.
There's no greater love than this, to offer one's life for his friends. Kayong dalawa, sana matuto rin kayong mag-alay ng sariling buhay para sa isa't isa.
It'll bring you to the end and show you where your life begins.
No words can express how grateful, blessed, and loved I am because of you.
But I would do it all.
Ang pinagpipray ko lang po kay Lord is makahanap ako ng lalaki na katulad ng papa ko. Ayun po. Binigay ni Lord sa akin. Kaya happy ako.
Hindi man ako perfectong ina. We don't have also a perfect family. Pero mahal na mahal kita.
Maria, may na-kiss your wife.
It all. I would do
I hope and pray that as we start our journey of being a lifetime partner, di ka magbabago at maituro mo sa magiging anak natin how a man treats a woman.